So I found the best affiliate website for you to be able to make extra money on your income through affiliate marketing. Now, the website that I actually have used is called Impact Radius. And from here, you can see this year so far, we've made almost $16,000 from the brands that are on this website. So I want to quickly show you a little bit about this. And if you stick around, I'm going to show you a quick demo on the actual back end of utilizing this website and how you can make $16,000 or more, probably more if you put in a lot of work and effort into your content. So right over here, this website actually allows you to go find brands that you might have heard of, big brands that are actually very popular, and will give you a commission for sending people their way. So right over here, you can see a couple different big brands. You got somebody like Southwest that will pay you 2.5% for everybody that you send them on the sales. So think about all the travel channels that can actually be making this money to be able to send their customers that way to make that money. Now there's so many more companies as well too. You can see NordVPN, which you might have heard of from other content creators. You can make up to 40% on the sales there. You got companies like Skillshare that also do setups as well. You got Vistaprint, very popular. You can make 2 to 8%. That actually got cut off on the screen there for us. And you have tons of different categories that you can choose from. So if you're into home and garden, you also have pets, you have apparel and shoes. You have so many different things like auto, you have kids and toys, you have so many different categories that you can go through and choose from, and then help and work with those companies to bring customers to them, and you make those sales. So if you want to go with BarkBox, you can actually make $18 for every person that you send over to BarkBox. So if you're somebody who works with pets and you want to recommend BarkBox, why not make some extra money and actually promote this product so that way you can get paid? Now, I mentioned earlier, I want to go ahead and show you a lot more when it comes to the back end of this website. So check out my video right over here to check them out and go ahead and learn all about Impact Radius. My name is Dennis, and I want to help you in that next video.